Jinxed that one again!
Wind 5 to 10 miles.
I jinxed it again! We have a double!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m.
Yep.
At 6:07.
Yep, it's for that squall! It's for that squall!
Near Springfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Springfield, Groveton, Fort Belvoir, Woodbridge, Lake Ridge, Burke, Lincolnia, Lorton, Franconia, Newington, I-395 and I-495 interchange, West Springfield, Mount Vernon, Fairfax Station, North Springfield, Hayfield, Robbinsworth, Mason Neck and Occoquan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, just for some context on that, I jinxed it again.